subscribe to my channel Happy Pink Studio and then tap on the bell button so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you. Hi guys and welcome to my channel Happy Pink Studio. आप सबका मेरे चैनल में बहुत स्वागत है. Well, today's video is again the most requested one from a lot of people. It is on makeup brushes for beginners. I have recently done a video on beginners makeup kit and I thought I must do this also so that it will really help everyone. So let's get started. And before that, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe by clicking on the red button and do not forget to tap on the bell button too. So let's head towards the video. For any makeup to look good, the most important thing is how we apply it. And for that, it's very important to use good tools. I know a lot of people apply makeup with hands. That is fine. But actually, you will not get a good finishing if you use your hands. So you must have a good brush. Makeup brushes are really important to create a really good base, because if you have good base, then you can do anything after that. Your contouring, your blush, everything will look good if you have a good base. So for that, for beginners, I'm going to suggest this from Real Technique. This is the Expert Face Brush. This is really good. This is actually an all-rounder brush. This can be used to put foundation, to blend it, to even blend concealer, and even to apply pressed powders. This is very good for beginners and this is easily available and not expensive at all. I would recommend this for anyone who is looking for a good foundation blending brush. Now this is really good. You must go for it if you don't have. Now one more thing is, I actually like to blend my foundation with beauty blenders. Now YVP has really nice blender. I'm going to do a review on this very soon. Now this beauty blender, it's very easy to apply. You are not supposed to wipe, you're supposed to dab, and this is really good to apply your base. Your base will not crease if you're using a good beauty blender. I would really suggest this one from YVP. They are very good quality and they don't get spoiled at all. I will definitely do a review separately on this because this is one of my favorite tool to apply makeup. So this is also my suggestion. I will leave the name of all the products along with the links from where you can buy in the description box. So please have a look at it. And this is something which you must have in your kit. Now after foundation comes the concealer part, and for concealer I'm going to recommend this one from Real Technique. This is a very good brush to highlight your under eye area, your forehead. It's very good because it's very easy to apply also. So this is something I would really recommend for concealer. But as I said, Expert Face Brush, which I've shown first, can also be used for applying your concealers. But if you want one separately for concealer, then you can go for this because this is very easy to blend and something I really love. So after you do your foundation and your concealer, you really need good brush for applying pressed powders or loose powders, and for that I'm going to suggest this brush from Real Technique. It's so easy to apply your loose powders or pressed powders. There is something called as baking in makeup. That term is mainly used to apply loose powders. I will definitely do a tutorial on it soon, so wait for it. And this is very easy to apply any of your pressed powders and all. Very easy to put, so please go for this if you are looking for a good brush to apply your powders. Now for eyebrows, I would again suggest brush from Real Technique. Actually, I love Real Technique brushes. They are really good and worth spending the money on. This is really easy to apply. As you can see the shape of it, it's very easy to create a good shape for your eyebrows, and whatever shape you want, temple, feathered, whatever you want, it's easy to create with this. It doesn't take a lot of product also, so do not worry if your eyebrows will look too dark or not, because this doesn't take too much of product. So it's very easy to apply and create a really good shape for your eyebrows. For beginners, it's not easy to do eyeshadows very easily, so I will suggest this one brush from Real Technique. This is for crease. It's very easy to apply your eyeshadow. This has thick bristles and it's so easy to apply. You will not have a lot of fallout with this because this takes again very little product and you can create your very good base for your eyeshadow. I think this is something you must go for if you're looking to do a good eyeshadow, and this is something I would really recommend. So go for this. Now comes the contour part, and contour being my favorite part. I'm going to recommend this brush from Real Technique. This is a perfect shape to apply contour, as it's very easy to apply and blend too. It doesn't take too much of product, exactly how much you need for your contouring. It's very easy to apply, and something I would suggest to anybody, even not only for beginners, even for people who have been continuing to do makeup from long time. Go for this. Now comes the blush part, and that is again something which I really love to put, and for that I'm going to suggest the stippling brush from Real Technique. Actually, stippling brush is also used to apply foundation, but I use this to apply blush. I would also suggest you to use this to apply blush. It's so easy to apply blush with this on the apple of your cheeks. It's so easy. I can't tell you, it also takes correct amount of products and just apply. It's very easy. Today I have used this to apply. The bristles are really soft, and even if you wash it, it doesn't get spoiled. I don't know how many times I've washed it. This doesn't get spoiled. So, good one. Now it's time to put the highlighter, and for that I would always suggest a fan brush. Remember always that highlighter is supposed to be put with fan brush only. So for that I'm going to suggest this fan brush from Real Technique. This is really good to put because you're not supposed to take too much of highlighter product on the brush. So you're supposed to take very little and apply it on the highest point of your cheekbones, and then on your forehead, on your nose and on your chin. So this is how highlighter is put. So make sure you use a good fan brush, and this is really good. I have washed it many times and this has not spoiled. I even use this now because I don't think I have come across a good fan brush other than this. I have a brush from Morphe also, but I really like this one the most. So these were my suggestions for beginners makeup brushes. I hope you liked it. I will leave all the products in the description box along with the links from where you can buy it. I have one more suggestion, that if you think Real Technique brushes are expensive, then Be Small has really good brushes for beginners too. They have around 10 to 12 brushes in a packet, and that's not expensive. It's available in Amazon India and Amazon US, UK, Australia, everywhere. You can check that. I will leave the link to it in the description box. It also has really good brushes. I have used them and they last for really long even after washing it many times. So if you think that buying brushes separately is expensive, then you can go for that. Other than this Real Technique brushes, there are more high-end brushes, that is from Morphe, Sigma. There are many more brushes. Even NYX has really good brushes. There are more expensive beauty blenders. All those are good. They're really high-end, and I really don't want to suggest that for beginners now only. So for beginners, I have actually chosen the best one. So buy these if you're starting your makeup. This will really help you to give good base, and your makeup will look really good with these. So go for these if you're starting your makeup, or if you have been doing makeup also, this is good. So I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you can see my logo and anywhere, I hope it's coming here. Please click on that. You can easily subscribe clicking on that, and do give it a thumbs up, and please do not forget to subscribe. And very soon I'm going to do makeup for beginners step by step. If you want to see that, then please comment below. Only if you comment, I will know that I have to do that. So please do that. Thank you so much for watching.